One deer belonged to the family Cervidae. 2. There are over 90 species of deer worldwide. 3 deer are herbivores, primarily feeding on grass, leaves, and twigs. 4 male deer are called bucks, while females are called does. 5 male deer grow antlers, which they shed and regrow every year. 6. Only male deer, except for reindeer, have antlers. 7 deer use their antlers to fight other males during the mating season. 8 antlers are made of bone and can grow up to 2.5 centimeters per day. 9. The antlers are covered with a soft tissue called velvet while growing. 10 velvet supplies blood to the antlers, helping them grow. 11. Once antlers are fully developed, the velvet dries off and the deer rubs it against trees to remove it. 12. The white-tailed deer is the most common species in North America. 13 deer are excellent swimmers and can escape predators by swimming across rivers. 14 deer have a keen sense of smell and can detect predators from a distance. 15 deer have large, sensitive ears that can rotate to detect sounds. 16. The red deer is the largest species of deer in the UK. 17 deer are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk. 18. A group of deer is called a herd. 19. Some deer species can leap as high as 3 meters. The fallow deer has long, palmate antlers that resemble the shape of a hand. 21 deer are highly adaptable and can live in forests, grasslands, mountains, and even urban areas. 22 reindeer, or caribou, are the only deer species where both males and females grow antlers. 23 deer are ruminants, meaning they have a 4-chambered stomach to digest plant material. 24 baby deer are called fawns. 25 fawns are born with white spots on their fur, which provide camouflage in the forest. 26 deer communicate with each other through sounds, scents, and body language. 27. A deer's gestation period lasts between 180 to 240 days, depending on the species. 28 deer have a special gland called a tarsal gland on their legs used for marking territory. 29. Some deer species, like the muntjac, are native to Asia. 30 deer have slit-shaped pupils, which provide them with a wide field of vision. 31. A deer's heart rate can decrease to conserve energy during the winter. 32. The moose, also part of the deer family, is the largest species, with males weighing over 600 kilograms. 33 moose have massive, broad antlers that can span up to 1.8 meters wide. 34. The white-tailed deer uses its tail as a warning signal by raising it to show the white underside. 35 deer can run at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour to escape predators. 36. The Sika deer is known for its distinctive bark-like call during the rut. 37. The Chinese water deer is unique in that males do not have antlers, but instead have long, tusk-like canines. 38. The antlers of a deer are shed annually in the winter and begin regrowing in the spring. 39. In some cultures, deer are considered a symbol of grace and beauty. 40 reindeer are the only species of deer that have been domesticated by humans. 41 deer can survive in cold climates thanks to their thick winter coats. 42. The spotted deer, or chital, is native to the Indian subcontinent. 43. Some deer species can live up to 20 years in captivity, though they live shorter lives in the wild. 44 male deer often become solitary during the winter after the breeding season ends. 45. During the rut, male deer establish dominance through displays of strength and fights. 46. The smallest deer species is the southern pudu, which stands just 30 centimeters tall at the shoulder. 47. In winter, deer often browse on tree bark and shrubs when grass is scarce. 48. Deer play a key role in forest ecology by dispersing seeds through their droppings. 49. The Ellafur, or Père David's deer, is extinct in the wild, but survives in captivity. 50 deer can change their diet depending on the season and available food sources. 51. Some species of deer, like the reindeer, have hooves designed for walking on snow. 52. The roe deer is native to Europe and is known for its small size and agility. 53 deer have a unique way of walking, called stotting, where they bounce off all four legs to escape predators. 54 deer can detect ultraviolet light, which helps them see better in low-light conditions. 55. The black-tailed deer is native to western North America and is a close relative of the mule deer. 56 deer have a preorbital gland near their eyes, used for marking territory with scent. 57 fawns are able to walk within a few hours of being born. 58 deer have a wide vocal range, making sounds like grunts, bleats, and even screams. 59. The axis deer is known for its striking reddish coat with white spots. 60. In some regions, deer populations have grown due to a lack of natural predators. 61 deer are known to damage crops and gardens, especially in rural and suburban areas. 62. In Japan, deer are considered sacred animals, particularly in the city of Nara. 63. The Indian sambar deer is a favorite prey for large predators like tigers and leopards. 64 male deer can be very territorial during the breeding season, marking their territory with scent and urine. 65. Some deer, like the fallow deer, have been introduced to regions outside their native range. 66 deer shed their winter coat in the spring and grow a lighter, thinner coat for summer. 67. The elk or wapiti is a large species of deer found in North America and Eastern Asia. 68. The barking deer, or muntjac, is known for its dog-like bark. 69 deer populations are carefully managed in many regions to prevent overgrazing and habitat destruction. 70 deer velvet, the soft tissue on growing antlers, is harvested in some cultures for medicinal purposes. 71. Some deer species are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night. 72. The tufted deer is known for its small size and tuft of black hair on its forehead. 73 deer are social animals and often form small family groups. 74. In some cultures, deer are hunted for food, sport, and their antlers. 75 deer have been depicted in art and mythology for thousands of years. 76. The mule deer is known for its large mule-like ears. 77. The Siberian musk deer produces musk, which has been historically used in perfumes. 78. The deer family is split into two groups: the cervines, true deer, and the capreolines, primitive deer. 79. Some deer species have been bred in captivity for conservation purposes. 80 deer are known for their strong maternal instincts, with does fiercely protecting their fawns. 81 fawns are usually born in the spring when food is plentiful. 82 deer can jump high fences, which makes managing their populations in certain areas challenging. 83. In the autumn, deer enter the rutting season, where males compete for the attention of females. 84 deer can produce twins or even triplets, though single births are more common. 85. The European red deer is one of the largest deer species in Europe. 86. The mule deer is native to western North America and is known for its forked antlers. 87. The fallow deer has distinctive antlers with broad, flat palmate shapes. 88 deer rely on camouflage and speed to avoid predators such as wolves, bears, and big cats. 89. In many regions, deer hunting is regulated to maintain a balanced ecosystem. 90. Some deer species have been domesticated in small numbers, mainly for farming or research. 91 male deer often scrape the ground with their hooves and rub their antlers on trees to mark their territory. 92 deer can communicate over long distances with their loud, distinctive calls. 93. The white-tailed deer is known for its ability to adapt to various habitats. 94. During the rut, bucks will challenge each other by locking antlers and pushing to establish dominance. 95. The moose is well adapted to cold climates with its thick fur and large body size. 96 deer are often affected by parasites like ticks and flies, which can carry diseases. 97 deer are important prey for predators, but are also a source of food for scavengers when they die. 98 deer hooves are split into two parts, allowing them to navigate rough terrain easily. 99. The Kashmir stag, or hangal, is critically endangered and only found in certain parts of India. 100 deer continue to fascinate humans with their grace, beauty, and adaptability.